Welcome back to our C programming lecture series, and in past tutorial we have discussed about some variables and we have discussed about integer and float type variables. Now in this tutorial I will show you another data type, and that is char. We were using integer for any integer or for declaring any number, and we were using float for declaring any decimal number with points. And now we will use char data type, char. Char is a data type just like int, but the only difference between integer and character is that int will store only numbers, while character will store alphabets. Okay, alphabets or any other character like braces, like and, slash. These are all characters. Character can also store numbers, but in the form of characters. So we will declare char any variable we can use. We will use say x, char x is equal to. It cannot store. It cannot store group of characters. It can store only one character. And the difference is that in integer we were writing 5 or 6 or something number, but without apostrophe commas. In this we have to use commas. Character is always written in commas. So we can write small a, we can write capital A, we can write capital small, we can write this, we can write this. Small a first. This is a char. We cannot use ABC. It is a group of characters. Then in this case it is a string. We cannot use this like as a this like string. So we have to use only a. So we will print it first. printf. In integer we were using %d, in float we were using %f, and in character we will use %c. %c will print a character. And which variable is holding our character? The variable x holds the character a. And what will this print? This will print this this a, that is holded by this x. What is x? X is a memory. As I have discussed in previous tutorial, x is a memory space. It is a name given to some memory space which holds this value, whether it is a character, whether it is an integer, whether it is anything else. So I will run it, and we have got a character a here. If we will use a group of characters, suppose alpha, in this case what will happen? We will check it. It will write only a. It will consider only first character, because character can hold only one character at a time. It cannot hold a group of characters. For a group of characters we have to make use of string. So if we want to, if I want to print it as a string, we have to make this char x as a string. I will show you in coming tutorials how we can use it as a string. We can use it as a string by giving it a size here. But that is advanced part of our tutorials. That is not this comes under the strings and arrays topic that we will discuss in coming tutorials. But simply one character at a time will hold char data type will allow this variable to hold one character at a time, and that one character is getting printed. We can also write anything. We can write this brace as a character, and I want to print this. It will write this brace here. You can see the output of our program is this brace. As this is also a character, we can write any number also. We can write 5. Don't get confused. This time this 5 is taken as a character, not as an integer, because this is a character this time. This 5 is taken as a character this time, not as a string. So I will run it, and this will write this 5. Our result is this 5. Thanks. Now we will meet in next tutorial, in which we will discuss about constants. These were variables. Now we will discuss about constants in next tutorial. And don't forget to subscribe our channel Indus Technologies. Thanks.